We are back with RENOGY, and we are highlighting only the biggest deals going on right now, and this deal is $300 off the price of the 48V 50Ah smart lithium iron phosphate battery with the built-in self-heating. This is a very nice battery. It's really nice to have, and for 48V systems, this is really easy to pick up, move around, and install yourself. And if you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, you can get an additional discount on top of this by using my promo code ADVENTURETECH. Use the links in the comments or the description. You can get over this page right away, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So the 48V 50Ah smart lithium iron phosphate battery from RENOGY has over 6,000 cycles. That is an incredibly long lifetime. We're talking over 10 years, just blown away by how long these new batteries are lasting. This is ideal for cabins and sheds. You can get 5 to 15 kilowatt hour setups with these, self-heating for safe charging in the wintertime, IP65 water and dust resistant. That means it's gonna stay waterproof and dustproof, keeping it in good shape for a long time for you. And it's got built-in shock absorption inside of it for those rough journeys. And this has unparalleled quality inside and out. RENOGY really does make a really great battery, provides reliable power for years, and that is the point with these. You buy them once, you don't have to worry about them for years and years and years. And you can confidently and comfortably live off-grid, generating power with your solar DIY systems with this, basically maintenance free for years and years and years. So you get extra warmth, and it makes a difference. Equipped with built-in heating pads that guarantee safe charging in cold climates without compromising long-term performance. Consistent charging across all cells. Maintain uniform charging across internal battery cells to maximize overall efficiency, usable capacity, and service life. That's going to help them last a very long time for you, on top of the fact that these are lithium iron phosphate batteries, which have an amazing lifetime already. And this is power that you can rely on. RENOGY always tests and certifies all their equipment rigorously. This is going to be great size battery. I'm telling you, it is a huge amount of power storage, and you got up to 48V system, which is going to be ideal, keeping your conductor sizes small and opening up to using really great inverters. Plug your sheds into solar for an independent power supply and unleash your creativity and productivity with power tools. Let's actually take a closer look at that. I've been real curious about this. This is 2,400 watt hours, 2.4 kilowatt hours in this one small 50Ah battery. And we're talking about 48V here. So yeah, right now there's a huge deal going on, so I wanted to highlight that for you. 48V 50Ah smart LFP battery. Really great to have with the self-heating built in. Really great for smaller setups, custom DIYs, or if you're going to stack a bunch of these up for some serious storage. And right now, depending on how many you pick up, there is different discounts going on, so definitely take advantage of that. Use my promo code ADVENTURETECH. You can get an additional discount on top of that as well, which is really nice to have. Use the links in the comments or the description. Get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Don't forget, click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get over to these very limited deals.